Hello, my name's Cameron Holt, and this is my website and app presentation. The website that I chose is Voki. It's a fun tool that students can use for homework, classwork, or a project. Voki offers many different tools and things that you can use, and I'll just go over a few. You can customize characters on this website. You can customize their appearance, what they say, and share them with others. This is a great tool to present information to a classroom. It also has Voki Classroom, and it is a classroom management tool. It allows teachers to manage and monitor their students and their classwork. There's Voki Presenter. It's a presentation tool for both teachers and students. Lessons, homework, and projects have never been more engaging and fun. You can easily share among teachers, students, and parents. And then there's Voki Teach. It's Common Core aligned, and it has ready-to-teach curriculum designed by teachers. Incorporating technology, Voki is definitely a great website to incorporate technology in the classroom. The students will be engaged by creating and personalizing their own characters. They'll also get to decide what their characters are going to say. And they can also create presentations on this website that's kind of like PowerPoint. Differentiation. Students performing at grade level will be able to showcase their knowledge through the creation of their characters and presentations. They will also have the opportunities to advance. Students with exceptionalities will be presented information in a different way. This will really help, especially if they're auditory learners. Like we've said, these characters, talk and read the information out loud, so that would help them out. Students who are gifted will get to use creativity. They can add as much information to their characters and presentations as they'd like. Students with an English language learner background will also benefit. Hearing the information spoken through the character will help them better understand the content. And I was just going to go on this website and show you some things. I actually had to use Voki last semester within a class. So this is already on my account, and I'm just going to play a quick snippet of it just so you can see how it works. So I've created this character and I've personalized her. I personalized the background, and you can kind of see her eyes follow the mouse, which is cool. I think students will like that. So they can create their own characters. And this was for a library class, so we had to do it over a book award, and I'll just play a couple seconds so you can see how it works.
Hello students. Today, I am going to tell you about the Laura Ingalls Wilder Award. At present, this award is awarded every 2 years to an author or illustrator whose books, published in the United States, have made, over a period of years, a substantial and lasting contribution to literature for children.
So that was just a little snippet, and you can kind of see how that works. It's a really neat way to present information. I'm just going to navigate through this website and show you. So up here in Create Voki, this is where you create your character. You just go through these steps over here. It's very, very simple. First, you'll select your avatar, you'll customize it, add a voice, choose a background, and then you publish and share it. So like once you actually create the Voki, you can just share it. It'll give you a link and you can, open that anywhere on any device. So you don't actually have to log in to see your Voki. Like it can be viewed from the public. So they'll just go through here and they'll create their character and their clothes. And then here is where you can either use this microphone and record your voice speaking, or you can type what you want to say. I mean, it goes as long as you want. And it speaks what you say. It's just like an automated voice, like the one I just showed you. So that's how you do the character, and you can do it over any information. You can type whatever. And then this is the presentation. And this is just kind of like PowerPoint to me, but it's a neat way that you can use this website. You can insert text and images. It's just like PowerPoint. Up here is Voki Classroom. This was the tool that you can manage your students' work. And then the presenter, I've already showed you that. And the teach is the one, it already has lessons in there, like full detailed lessons. And then there's hooks like engagement activities and projects. So this would be a great source to use as a teacher because there's a lot of information there. I'm just going to show some lessons, just how much there is. I mean, this is just a ton of stuff over different topics, and there's like so many lessons with each one. So I think that's a pretty good overview of that website. I think Voki is a great website to use, and especially my favorite thing is the character. And the students, like if they were doing a group project, I think they would really enjoy, creating that character with their friends and displaying that in class to them. I think they'd really like that. And like I said, with the mic, you can incorporate your own voice, which will make it more personal. Okay, the app that I chose was Noji Vocab. It's a research-based audio-visual vocabulary app for all learning styles. There's fun cartoon characters that bring the words to life. This app offers an effective learning and memory system. The characters used are proven to enhance learning based on emotional connection. The app includes interactive quizzes, learning goals, and learning statuses. Teachers could use this app in their classroom as a warm-up activity, and students could use this app as a studying tool. So basically, this app is like an interactive quiz of vocabulary words and their definitions, and I'll show you some pictures of it later on. It would be a great warm-up activity, especially if you taught like English or language, for students to do on their iPads if that was available, and also for studying like a vocabulary test or a spelling test. It would be a very good app to use as well. For differentiation for this, students performing at their grade level could use this app to practice vocabulary words that's appropriate within their grade. Students with exceptionalities would benefit from this app because it provides a different format for learning. These interactive quizzes are efficient, and all of the information within the app can be read aloud. Students who are gifted can practice harder levels of vocabulary words within this app. And students with an ELL background will also learn from this app because the vocabulary words and their definitions can be set to read aloud. So like this app, you'll see in a second, all of the words, like the word and all the definitions and choices can be set to read aloud to you. So that would be good for auditory learners as well. And just to see it on the screen too. I can't actually get on the app on my computer, but I was just going to show you some screenshots. These are examples of the characters that it uses, and I think students, especially younger ones, would enjoy that. And the characters are consistent throughout the app. Here's an example of the different tabs that you have. So these are where you can view and hear all the words, so it'll play them out loud if you'd like to. Your Learn and Remember app, so you can put stuff, or tab, excuse me, you can put stuff under there that you want to go through. Quizzes, those are interactive quizzes that you go through. It gives you learning goals, which is really cool, and your status on how you're doing, and I think that's a good feature too. Here's just an example of what the quizzes kind of look like. A word, the definition is great or fantastic. Down here it has a sentence that you're supposed to put the vocabulary word in, and it offers synonyms of it, and on down it didn't show it, but it offers antonyms as well, so it's a really cool quiz that you can use. And I think students, it's kind of like a game, so students would enjoy that too. You can make it competitive as well in the classroom, which is always a good thing. I also thought this was a really cool feature that I wanted to point out. You can learn to pronounce a word properly, record your own voice, and compare it with the Noji's voice. So that would be good for students with exceptionalities and the English language learner students especially. But for any student, just to know that they're pronouncing that word correctly is an important thing. So I thought that was a cool feature. And that is the end of my slideshow. I hope you enjoyed it. I can definitely see myself using both of these, website and the app, in my classroom. Thank you for watching.